So let us discuss some more examples of application of derivatives, that is derivative as a rate measure. पहले मैं बोल दिया था application of derivatives is further subdivided into 5 parts. Out of that 5, I am discussing now the first part, that is derivative as a rate measure. So already I have started the derivative as a rate measure. Let us see another example. क्वेश्चन पहले ठीक से सुन लो. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 9 cubic centimeter per second. वैल्यू ठीक से देख लो. along with the value you check the unit also, क्योंकि यूनिट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है वो क्या होगा, वेदर इट इज ds/dt, dy/dt, समथिंग लाइक दिस. वो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए क्यूब इज इंक्रीजिंग, इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो मतलब दिस इज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, अगर डिक्रीज होगा तो वैल्यू नेगेटिव, एट द रेट ऑफ 9 cubic centimeter per second. हाउ फास्ट इज द सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीजिंग व्हेन द लेंथ ऑफ एन एज इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? सरफेस एरिया, नॉट ओनली सरफेस एरिया, हाउ फास्ट द सरफेस एरिया इज इंक्रीजिंग. तो हाउ फास्ट मतलब किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है? वो टाइम के ऊपर ऑब्वियसली. So if I consider S be the surface area, that means you have to find ds by dt. How fast the surface area is increasing, that means you have to find ds by dt at when the length of an edge is 10 centimeter. So see the solution. The volume of a cube is increasing, so volume दिया हुआ है, so let V be the volume, S be the surface area, given dV by dt. मैं बोला था फिर से वैल्यू देख लो, वैल्यू के साथ यूनिट भी देख लो. 9 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर वॉल्यूम का यूनिट है, पर सेकेंड टाइम का यूनिट है. सो दैट मीन्स dV by dt इज गिवन विच इज 9 cubic centimeter per second, and you have to find the value of ds by dt. So dv by dt दिया हुआ है, ds by dt फाइंड आउट करें, लेकिन ये किसका वॉल्यूम है, किसका सरफेस एरिया है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए क्यूब, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब ओनली. सो for this we should know the formula of volume of a cube as well as the surface area of a cube. We know volume of a cube is x cube. If I consider x be the length of an edge, then the volume of a cube is x cube. We know. Let x be the length of an edge. So that's why v is equal to x cube. So if I differentiate both sides with respect to t, because dv by dt is given, so obviously इसके t के साथ differentiate करना है. So dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. 3x square into ds by dt. Say this is equation number 1. Also we know the surface area of a cube is 6x square. क्यों लिख रहा हूँ मैं? Because you have to find ds by dt. So if you don't know the formula of surface area of a cube, then how can we differentiate it? So s is equal to 6x square. So ds by dt is equal to 12 into dx by dt. That is 12 into, now what is dx by dt? From equation 1 we can find the value. So dx, if dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt, therefore dx by dt is equal to what? dv by dt divided by 3x square, and dv by dt is given na, so dv by dt is 9, so 9 by 3x square, 9 by 3x square. Just you put the value of dx by dt from equation 1, from equation number 1. तो यहाँ से ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. This is equal to 36 by x square. Therefore ds by dt at x equal to 10, it is given only. Find the surface area when the length of an edge is 10 centimeters, so ds by dt at x equal to 10, which is equal to 36 by, सॉरी यहाँ पे x है, एक यहाँ से एक x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, that is 36 by x, that means 36 by 10, this is equal to 3.6. So ds by dt is 3.6. And what should the unit? Surface area with respect to time, that means unit is centimeter square per second. So this is the final answer. Surface area, how fast the surface area is increasing, increase हो रहा है surface area, मतलब वैल्यू हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही होगा, और ये देखो 3.6 is a positive value. And don't forget to mention the unit, centimeter square per second. So this is one example. Let us take one more example. Question देख लो, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at a rate of 3 centimeter per minute. देखो, length of a rectangle is decreasing. Length of a rectangle is decreasing at a rate of 3 centimeter per minute. Minute is also the unit of time. So if I consider x be the length, already it is mentioned in the question, x be the length and width is given y. So if x be the length and y be the width, then means according to our question here dx by dt is given. What is dx by dt? Whether it is 3 centimeter per second or minus 3 centimeter per minute. It is minus 3 centimeter per minute. Why? Because the length of a rectangle is decreasing. अगर decrease होगा तो value हमेशा negative होगा. So you have to give minus sign. Be careful, sign check करना है. And dy by dt with y is increasing. Increase हो रहा है तो मतलब value positive है. This is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. dy by dt is given. When x is 10 centimeter and y is 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter. Number A, rate of change of the perimeter. किसका perimeter? Rectangle. So what is the formula? If I consider P be the perimeter, so perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into length plus breadth. That means 2 into x plus y. Since x be the length, since x is the length and y is the width, so that means the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into x plus y. Formula तो हमेशा use करना ही पड़ेगा. If you don't know the formula, then how can we differentiate both sides with respect to time or with respect to any other unit? So if you don't know the formula, you can't solve the question. So for this, you should know the formula of a rectangle. So we know the formula of that is perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. अभी इसको किसके साथ differentiate करना है? Unit क्या दिया हुआ है? Length is decreasing 3 centimeter per minute. So time, so that means you have to differentiate both sides with respect to time t. So dp by dt is equal to 2 is constant, dx by dt plus dy by dt. That means 2 into dx by dt is given minus 3 plus dy by dt is 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So this is equal to minus 2. Perimeter with respect to time. Unit क्या होगा? Centimeter per minute. क्वेश्चन में मिनट है तो इसलिए मिनट यूज किया. क्वेश्चन में अगर सेकंड दिया होगा तो सेकंड यूज करना है. अभी देखो वैल्यू नेगेटिव आया. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? दैट मीन्स द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज डिक्रीजिंग. नंबर बी क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. सो इफ आई कंसिडर कैपिटल लेटर ए बी द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल, then what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth, that means x into y. Here also you have to differentiate area with respect to time t. So dA by dt is equal to dx by dt into y plus x into dy by dt. That is dx by dt is minus 3. Y is given in the question. Y is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 plus x is also given 10 centimeter into dy by dt. Question में दिया हुआ है 2. So this is equal to minus 18 plus 20, which is equal to 2 dA by dt. Area with respect to time. तो unit क्या होगा? Area with respect to time. That means centimeter square per minute, which is the required answer. So here in this case area is increasing but the perimeter of the rectangle is decreasing. So this is the second example.